Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Fluently AI. In order to do so, here we are at getfluently.app. And as you can see with Fluently, you can boost your confidence in English with an AI tutor. And you can click here to continue. There's a free assessment that just takes 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and click on continue. What part of your English do you want to improve the most? Speaking with confidence, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, understanding native speakers, writing more fluently. Let's go ahead and say speaking with confidence. You're in good company. Go ahead and hit continue. What is your main goal for improving your English? We have a few options here. Let's go ahead and just select the first one. What stopped you when you speak English? I freeze when I speak. I can't express myself. We've got a few options here. We'll just go ahead and select the first one. Do you agree with the statement below? I know exactly what to say in my head, but I can't find the right words. No, maybe, yes. Let's just say yes. How do you use English in your daily life? Read English news, watch English shows, listen to English music, use English at work, chat with English speakers. So you can see here that you are going to need to go through all of these questions, and we've got quite a few of them, so we're not going to go through all of them. But if you are interested in learning English, improving your English, check out Fluently. So head over to getfluently.app and you can begin from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building something special there. In the link tree, we have a variety of AI recommendations and promotions. Check out our WAP course. You can learn how to create an AI music video for $30. You can go through our course, and a lot of the fundamentals you'll learn there are applicable across AI animation as a whole. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. I could personally vouch for it. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to make sure it's available in your area.